Square Risk Manager is a customizable risk management system designed to give you greater control over the sales you accept on your website. Set customizable rules to take advantage of Square's machine learning models, and receive alerts for address verification, billing, and shipping mismatches. You can also add an IP address, email, or card to your block list to stop bad activity on your site. Just keep in mind, Risk Manager is only available for online sales. You can view our risk evaluation on qualifying e-commerce payments in your transaction report for free. And if you need more control over which payments you accept, you can enroll in Risk Manager. You can try Risk Manager for free for 90 days, and then 6 cents per online transaction for card or e-gift card purchases. Risk Manager uses rules and conditions to help you target specific payments for review. For example, you can create an information verification rule. If your customer enters the incorrect zip code during checkout, the payment will be flagged. But you can add other conditions to this rule as well, such as CVV verification. By default, when you sign up for Risk Manager, we create 2 rules for you, using our own payment data information to determine if an incoming payment has a high or moderate risk of fraud. Each rule can have up to 3 conditions. For example, you can set a high risk evaluation for a payment over $100 with incorrect billing information. Keep in mind, any additional condition makes a rule more strict, so it'll affect fewer payments. When a transaction meets the conditions of a rule set to trigger a risk alert, it'll populate in your alerts table. Just bear in mind, alerts populate for payments that have already been processed. So be sure to check your alerts before shipping goods or fulfilling orders. You can click on an alert to view more information about the customer, including any past purchases from your business, addresses, and depending on your integration, itemization. If you determine a payment is too risky, you can issue a refund right from the alert. You may also choose to block the card, email, or IP address associated with the transaction. You can also enable email notification for risk alerts from your Square settings page. Review declined payments by your customer's bank, Square, your rules, or your block list. You can also monitor how well Risk Manager is performing by heading to your analytics dashboard. View the amount of transactions impacted by your alerts, declines, and disputes, as well as the impact of individual rules. To learn more, head to square.com/help and search keywords Risk Manager.